Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on your channel GetAssist. And in today's video, I will tell you how you can create a website by using HTML code. Yes, you heard it right. It might be difficult for you for creating a website by using the HTML codes. But today, I'll tell you one trick through which you can create a website very easily. And that is ChatGPT. So by using ChatGPT, you can actually create a very professional website. How? Let me tell you. So to know the whole process, watch this video till the end.
So let's start the process. First of all, you need to log in your ChatGPT account. Once you log in your ChatGPT account, come to the chat box and give the command to ChatGPT for create a word counter website. Now here you can see after your command, ChatGPT has started writing all the HTML codes which are required for making the website. Once it done, you can also give the command to ChatGPT for combine all into ones. Now once you have given the command to combine all the codes into one, so ChatGPT will start combining all the codes for making a one website. Once ChatGPT has done with all the combinations, you can copy all the codes and you have to open a WordPad on your system. Now just paste your all the codes which are given by the ChatGPT on your WordPad. Once it's done, now go to the file, click on save or save as. Now give the file name, but here you have to give the extension of .html. Once you have given the extension of HTML, you can see your website is running. Now the only one thing you need to complete this website is a domain. So you can buy a domain or the host from godaddy.com or from the renderforest.com or from the WordPress, anywhere you want. So from these websites you can buy a domain and you can run your website professionally.
So in this way, you can create any website and you can run it professionally by using ChatGPT. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.